people had jobs for things they were absolutely perfect at. And when I say absolutely, I mean it. You would have been a professional friend. You're not a friend, friendship is you. Friendship has encapsulated every fiber of your being. You don't even have to be a friend, you know. Being a friend for you is just like breathing. Even without knowing, you do it every single second of the day without fail. Without knowing, whenever you friend someone really close, you actually act on that friendship 24/7, effortlessly, behind the scenes, every waking hour. And that's not just rare, there's a sense of divinity in it. To be thinking of someone else ahead of your own interests. And you don't even have to make efforts to do this, is where the beauty lies. You do it unconditionally. It's like an impulse. Like my impulse to almost everything is sarcasm or trying to be funny. Your impulse to life is friendship. Even if one strips everything off of you, you will still hold such a river full of relationships which personify depth, ease, sensitivity, understanding, respect, listening, courteousness, and above all, love. It's ironical, quite frankly, the ease with which you love your friends, you haven't been able to find that ease in the opposite sex. But you'll get there. I know it for a fact. It's about finding the right person. Now imagine a scenario where friendship was an actual person and someone was to write an autobiography on his life. Then they should interview you. That will be good enough. And it's such a rare thing. I must have done something right. Everything must have aligned for me to find the people I have. Obviously, finding is one thing, but holding on to them is a different thing altogether. I'm glad we have ticked all the right boxes here. Knowing what all of this is, what we've had, and what the future holds, thinking about relationships like these makes it all worth it. Because we know internally, we know in our hearts, COVID or no, calamity or no, even if everyone or everything passes on, we have a certain set of people with us who we are deeply connected with. Now, this is something that just cannot be quantified. These people, for them, the distance doesn't matter, the mode of communication doesn't matter, the frequency of conversations doesn't matter. All that matters is just being there. And you top the charts when it comes to all of this. Case closed.